pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. And for my returning gems, thank you so much for coming back. So I want to take the time to welcome all of the new subscribers on my channel. I am super excited and I hope this will be a beginning to a very long-lasting friendship. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. It's Ipsy, and I'm excited because I got it 10 days earlier this month than I did last month. And when I got last month's, I had missing items. I was like, you know how it is. So on about the 1st of this month, I got this package in the mail and I was like, maybe it's my missing item. And today I got the Glam Bag Plus. So we're going to open these up and see what we've got. So the item that I was missing last month was the one item setting spray. And I'm pretty sure there's not a setting spray in this bag. I mean, I emailed them and then I didn't get anything in return. No email back. Oh, okay. So we've got a Tarte product. Maybe they ran out. Sample not for sale. Okay. Sample. Although it looks like a full-size product, right? Let me see. Yeah, it looks kind of like a full-size. Close. Do I have another Tarte product to compare it to? I do. Same size. Okay. So let's open her up. It has the little puff. I like the puff. What is this? It says it's translucent. So, okay, I'll take that. That's fine. That works for me. All right, so let's get into July's bag. Oh, we got everything like all over the place this time. Okay. Ready? All right. Il Maquillage. I'm sure I don't say that right. Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. Here it is here. I've seen this brand many times. I don't think I've used very much from this brand, but it looks like we got some mascara. Let me open her up and check out the wand. Whoa, that's a really thin wand. Let me just see how this would work. This is like really strange because there's only bristles on one side. And it seems like the brush is kind of dry. I don't know if you'll be able to get a good picture of this or not. I'll put the value of this on the screen, but this looks a little different for me. So if you guys have used this, would you let me know? Okay. Then we have a brush. Zoe Ayla Round Brush Blowout Pro. I wanted this. I chose this for Kayla's hair because I like to straighten her hair. Okay, hi. Oh, we have a doohickey on here. Here we go. Woo! Here it is here. I'm liking it. It's very different looking. Oh, it's got a little grippy on the side. But yeah, I could totally do her hair easier with this. Yes. All right. Next, we got some brushes, and I know I chose brushes. And this is the MOTD. We've been seeing a lot of this brand. This is like, I forget the name of this collection, but there's a name for it. Ooh, okay. They're light feeling. They've got these little cute little mesh things. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. It looks like we've got a little kabuki brush. It says Supermodel Sculpt. So contour. Let's see. Get cheeky with it. It's an angled brush, so I'm guessing these feel pretty good. They do seem to have some control. Golden Gem Bronzer. So this is your bronzer. Okay, so you've got your sculpting, which would be your contour, and then you've got your brush, angled brush for your blush, and then you've got a powder bronzer brush. All right, I'm liking that. Okay, let's see what else we got. What was in the bag? Usually all the items come in the bag. They didn't. They came in the box this month. Okay, so here's the card. It says Stay Golden, but it doesn't have any information about the product, so I have to put that on the screen for you. Then it looks like we got another Tarte. Well, I got a Tarte product, Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. Wow, so many lip masks, and I don't use them because I don't like things on my lips like that. Like stuff that you shouldn't be putting on your lips that you could possibly taste that's not meant to, you know what I mean? Okay, so here it is here. It's a tiny little thing. And it looks like a lip balm. And this one is tinted. So I cannot read this tiny little print, so I have no clue. Let me see. Yeah, no. There's no way I could tell. My guess is you put it on, maybe you wash it off. I don't know. I'd have to research that, go to their website maybe or something. Okay, the last thing I see is the Golden Hour Beauty for Real Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. I believe this is, okay, here it is. Here. Now I remember seeing this. Ooh, she's pretty and she's got big pans. Check that out. Well, we need to swatch her. Ooh, guys. Ooh, look how pretty. Wow. I need to get a close-up. Oh my goodness. Yep. I'm always saying I need a bigger space because I need a bigger face. Okay, let me make a close-up for you guys so you guys can see how pretty this is. Look how pretty. I'm liking it. Alright, so let's do some swatches so you guys can see. Definitely looks like a summer palette to me. We've got Reflection. Ooh. Hello. Solstice. Wow. That one. The first one was creamy. The second one kind of got, my finger got stuck in the pan. It's not that creamy. Alright, let's see. Then we've got a matte, a blaze, and then we've got Golden Ray. Wow. Okay, this is weird. Alright, let's do this. Very strange. This one looks like it's going to give me a hard time blending. There we are there. That's the first row. I don't know. Let's try the next one. Pink Sands. Okay. Horizon. Infinite. This blue looks pretty amazing. And Shadow. Okay, let's do it. Here they are here. It looks like that some of them may not blend out very well, so I'm not really sure. I can do an eye look with this if you would prefer. I totally can. But I do think they're pretty colors, so we'll have to see. I will put the value of this and all the products on the screen, but let's recap. So we got the 8-pan eyeshadow palette with a mirror, which I'm not sure how well it's going to work. I got the lip mask that looks like a, let me just put this, let me just take some of this out and see what it does. Ooh, it's really thick. And it feels like kind of like Vaseline. So maybe it's something you don't have to wash off. I don't know. I have to look. Then I got the Il Makiage Weird Mascara Brush. I'm not sure how well this is going to work. Okay. Then I got the cool looking brush so I can straighten my daughter's hair. And then I got Z brushes, which I am excited for. These seem like good quality. And then my missing product was I got the Tarte instead of the one item. So what did you think of my box? Did you guys get this box? This was the one that's $25 every month. It's a reoccurring charge, and you get 5 full-size items. Now, I want to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. I'll put the total value of this box on the screen, and I want to take the time to say thank you so very much for joining me for this video. Let me know all your thoughts. If you have any questions, put them down below. I will do my very best to answer them, and I will see you really soon in another video. Bye!